Your sales team is wasting 80% of their time and it's costing you a fortune. I'm not talking about long lunches or scrolling social media at all. I'm talking about the time they spend chasing dead-end leads. The tire kickers, just lookers, those are people who are never going to buy from you no matter what you do. For every 100 leads that come in, maybe 10 are ready to buy right now. And your team treats all exactly the same. They're flying blind and you're paying for the fuel. Today, I'm going to give your sales team a crystal ball. The biggest lie in sales is that all leads are created equal, and they are not by any means. Some leads are scorching hot, ready to buy with their credit card in hand, and you better be ready to take it. Others are ice cold and they wouldn't buy from you if you offered them $1 million for $1. Problem is, they all look the same on a spreadsheet. You can't tell. So your team starts at the top of that list and starts dialing. They waste hours talking to people who will never convert, while the handful of golden opportunities get stale and eventually go to their competitor who calls them first. This is not a people problem. It's a system problem. Your system is broken. They're trying to find a needle in a haystack, picking up every piece of hay. But what if they knew with perfect certainty which lead to call at exactly the right moment? What if your team only spent their time talking to the 10 people who are actually ready to buy? That's not a fantasy. This is AI used in HighLevel that scores your leads for you. It's a system that acts like a private detective for every single lead in your pipeline. It watches every move they make, every email they open, every link they click, every price page they visit, every video they watch. Each action adds points to their score. Someone who just signed up for your newsletter, 5 points. Someone who visits your pricing page, 10 points. Someone who watches your entire 20-minute demo video, 50 points. It's like a video game and the prize is a red hot, ready to buy customer. So now you have a system that automatically separates the gold from the gravel. But that's only half the battle. Knowing who to call is one thing. Calling them at the perfect moment is everything. This is where smart routing comes in. Inside HighLevel, you can create automation that says when a lead score crosses 100 points, just don't send an email. Send a notification to your best salesperson to get on the phone with that lead with their entire history in hand. And while you're at it, create a task for them to call them in the next 5 minutes. Think about what that means. A prospect's on your website right now watching the demo video for the 3rd time. The lead score just shot past 100. Before they even click away to check your competitor's site, your best closer's on the phone with them saying, "Hey, I saw you were checking out my demo. What questions can I answer for you?" That is a conversation that closes deals at the right time. The speed to lead is on steroids. While your competitor is still sorting through spreadsheets, you're already sending them an invoice. You're not just working harder, you're working smarter. You're letting the AI do the heavy lifting on finding the needle so your team can do what they do best, building relationship and closing the deals. This is how a sales machine works. This is how you stop wasting money on marketing that generates leads your team can't handle. And this entire system, from the lead capture, the AI scoring, to the routing, it all happens inside one platform. That platform is HighLevel. When you click on my link below, you're going to get an extended 30-day free trial of HighLevel, but on top of that, you're going to get my bonus stack for free, and I'm giving you free access to my private voice AI agents and my conversational AI chat widgets. You get everything you need to stop guessing and start selling. In this video, I showed you exactly how to stop flying blind and start selling with precision. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. I'm dropping videos like this every single week to help you build a more intelligent, more profitable business. I'd be honored to have you as part of this community. Thank you for watching. I'm live from India. Now go build yourself an empire. I believe in you.